Morning children, today we will see addition with word problems. These word problems are stories which have numbers, and these stories are from our day-to-day life. So to solve the word problems, first we have to read the whole problem, then read it slowly and again and underline or understand what is to be found out. Then note down the information in short simple sentence called the statements. Then make the statement about what you need to find out. Then make your questions in numbers. Again, decide which operation you have to do. That is, it can be plus, minus, or into, or division. Then find out your answer. Then lastly, don't forget to write the answer in words in the form of a statement. Then one more thing you have to remember, if it is asking for addition, then you will get these addition words, that is altogether, greater than, add, total, plus, sum and more than. So like that only we will see children. Here one problem example. It is given there are 1200 oranges in one godown, then 560 oranges in the second godown, and 846 oranges in the third godown. So how many oranges are there in total? 3 godowns. So for the solution, first we will arrange like this. Oranges in the first godown are 1200 and oranges in the second godown are 560 and oranges in the third godown are 846. So the total oranges we will arrange, we have arranged it in ones, tens, hundred and thousand place. So ones place we will add, then we will get 0 plus 0 plus 6, that is 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. So 0 will be in tens place and 1 we will carry in hundred place. Again 2 plus 5 plus 8, that is 16. 6 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. Then 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is in thousand place. So the total oranges are, thus the total oranges are 2600. 6 oranges are there in all the godowns. Like that only children, we will see our exercise. The first question is, in a bakery 3520 bread loaves are baked in the morning and 4360 bread of loaves are baked in the evening. So how many bread loaves are baked in a day? So for the solution we will write like this. Bread loaves baked in the morning are 3520 and bread loaves baked in the evening are 4360. So total bread baked we will add it like this. 1's place 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 3 plus 4, that is 7. So thus the total 7880 bread loaves are baked in the bakery in one day. Children, like that only you have to complete your exercise 5.9. Thank you children.